Hello and welcome to X-Geo, to learn Spanish. Here we'll provide you with daily lessons to become fluent in Spanish in less than 60 days. Subscribers to our channel can watch all of our daily lessons for free. In this lesson, we're going to be reviewing sentences focused around key words from today's vocabulary video. If you haven't already, we recommend that you watch the today's vocabulary lesson before watching today's sentences that utilize those words. When watching this video, we will say the English word, then the Spanish word. Then we'll provide an English sentence and say the Spanish sentence twice. Repeat with us the second time we speak the sentence. Then pause the video to write the sentence on paper. Be sure to subscribe.
Asegúrate de suscribirte. Gracias.
Let's get started. 1.
1.
There was one time that I dropped my pen.
Hubo una vez que dejé caer mi bolígrafo. Hubo una vez que dejé caer mi bolígrafo.
2.
2.
There were 2 cars.
Había 2 coches. Había 2 coches.
3.
3.
There were 3 dogs.
Había 3 perros. Había 3 perros.
5.
5.
There are 5 apples on the table.
Hay 5 manzanas sobre la mesa. Hay 5 manzanas sobre la mesa.
7.
7.
There are 7 pieces of chocolate left.
Quedan 7 trozos de chocolate. Quedan 7 trozos de chocolate.
8.
8.
An octopus has 8 legs.
Un pulpo tiene 8 patas. Un pulpo tiene 8 patas.
10.
10.
There are 10 cups in this box.
Hay 10 tazas en esta caja. Hay 10 tazas en esta caja.
12.
12.
There are 12 cats at the vet's office.
Hay 12 gatos en la oficina del veterinario. Hay 12 gatos en la oficina del veterinario.
13.
13.
There are 13 people at the party.
Hay 13 personas en la fiesta. Hay 13 personas en la fiesta.
15.
15.
There are 15 minutes left.
Quedan 15 minutos. Quedan 15 minutos.
16.
16.
He has 16 jobs.
Tiene 16 trabajos. Tiene 16 trabajos.
18.
18.
There are 18 months left until our wedding.
Quedan 18 meses para nuestra boda. Quedan 18 meses para nuestra boda.
$20.
20.
It's 20 degrees outside today.
Hoy hace 20 grados afuera. Hoy hace 20 grados afuera.
$40.
40.
There are 40 people at the party.
Hay 40 personas en la fiesta. Hay 40 personas en la fiesta.
$60.
60.
The temperature is 60 degrees today.
La temperatura es de 60 grados hoy. La temperatura es de 60 grados hoy.
$80.
80.
That chair is 80 years old.
Esa silla tiene 80 años. Esa silla tiene 80 años.
$90.
90.
She has $90 in her wallet.
Tiene $90 en su billetera. Tiene $90 en su billetera.
$100.
100.
There are 100 people in the hall.
Hay 100 personas en el pasillo. Hay 100 personas en el pasillo.
1,000.
1000.
There are $1,000 in the account.
Hay $1000 en la cuenta. Hay $1000 en la cuenta.
$1 million.
1 millón.
There are 1 million people at the parade.
Hay 1 millón de personas en el desfile. Hay 1 millón de personas en el desfile.
Great job! That completes our lesson. We recommend repeating this video and writing each of these sentences, then mix and match the words from today's vocabulary lesson. Be sure to write and speak these sentences aloud. Next, you should watch our conversation videos to fully grasp today's vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.